In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list your property on Airbnb, 5 minutes. Start by heading to Airbnb and either signing up or logging in. If you already use the platform as a traveler, switch to hosting or choose become a host. That takes you into Airbnb's guided flow, which walks you through creating your listing from the ground up. Begin with the basics. You'll be asked what kind of place you're offering. Choose whether it's an entire home or apartment, a private room within a shared home, or a shared room. Be honest here. This choice sets guest expectations and affects search filters. Next, add your location, enter the address, and confirm it on the map. Make sure the PIN is accurate so guests can understand the neighborhood and plan their arrival. If there are special directions or tricky entry points, keep a note to add that later in your description or check-in details. Set capacity by specifying how many guests you can host, along with bedrooms, beds, and bathrooms. Count real sleeping surfaces and list bed sizes. Accuracy prevents surprises and helps your place appear in the right searches. Now fill in key details about the space. Mention standout features, any stairs or accessibility considerations, parking information, and anything guests should know before booking. Clear info builds trust. Choose your amenities. Start with essentials like Wi-Fi, a kitchen, heating, or AC, and then add extras such as a dedicated workspace, washer and dryer, or outdoor areas. Only select what you truly provide. Guests filter heavily by amenities, and accuracy protects your ratings. Upload photos that are bright, horizontal, and well composed. Lead with a strong cover photo that shows the main appeal of your place, then include every room, the entrance, and any special features. Natural daylight and tidy spaces make a big difference. Create a short, catchy title that highlights what's unique, like the view, location, or style. Follow it with a concise, compelling description that covers the layout, vibe, amenities, and proximity to points of interest. Keep it clear and guest-focused. Set house rules and safety details. Disclose any security cameras or noise monitors, and outline expectations around pets, smoking, parties, quiet hours, and check-in and check-out times. Finally, choose your price and availability, set a base price, consider cleaning fees or length of stay discounts, and mark your calendar. Start competitive and adjust as you gain reviews. When everything looks good, publish your listing. Airbnb may ask you to verify your identity and confirm your address before it goes live. Once approved, your place is ready to welcome guests.